Let us see the next question. Suggested IPCC, November 2009, 8AA. Dear students, the question is, explain the following terms. Plowback of the profit. Dear students, the term plowback of the profit has a simple meaning of the retained earning. तो हमको यहाँ पे रिटेन अर्निंग के लिए जो भी हमारे दिमाग में आता है वो कुछ हम लोग ऐसा समझ सकते हैं. ए, रिटेन अर्निंग का एक छोटा सा डेफिनेशन टाइप, दैट this is indicating that the amount of the earning which has been reinvested in the business, it is the difference of the earning available to equity shareholders and payment of the equity dividend. उसका जो difference होता है that is considered to be retained earning. तो एक छोटा सा डेफिनेशन टाइप हम लोग दे सकते हैं. बी, हम लोग उसका कॉस्ट कैसे कैलकुलेट किया जा सकता है वो हम लोग बता सकते हैं. In a way that so the cost of retained earning can be calculated. If at all, so there is no flotation cost. If at all there is no % tax rate, तो कैसे किया जाता है? Like that say we are required to, that is we can say, let's say हम लोग यहाँ पे समझाएंगे, let's say how to calculate it. फिर उसका हम लोग फीचर्स ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, let's say this is the own source of the finance. तो बेसिकली इसका कोई कॉस्ट नहीं होता है. The cost of the retained earning, sorry, इसका कोई रिस्क नहीं होता है. I'm sorry, इसका कोई रिस्क नहीं होता है. Why? Because you do not have a commitment, say for making payment of some returns or making payment of some financial charges. जैसे कि debentures में क्या, you have a commitment of making payment of interest. But in case of the equity shares and in case of the retained earning, from risk point of view it is the best. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें कोई रिस्क नहीं होता है. So something like this you can mention. So let us read the answer which they have provided. Keep something like this in your mind while reading the answer. Exactly a word to word आए तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आता है तो भी चिंता मत करो. You can write in your own words. Long-term funds may be provided by accumulating profit of the company and by plowing them back into the business. Such funds belong to ordinary shareholders and increases the net worth of the company. A public limited company must plow back a reasonable amount of its profit each year, keeping in view the legal requirement in this regard. तो उन्होंने एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे ऐड किया है कि पब्लिक कंपनी को सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ द अर्निंग री इन्वेस्ट करना ही पड़ेगा. इट कैनॉट बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन फॉर्म ऑफ डिविडेंड, considering some legal requirement and its own expansion plan. Such funds also entail almost no risk, zero risk होता है. Further, the control of the present owner is also not diluted by the retaining profit. तो existing shareholders का जो control है वो भी dilute नहीं होता है by retaining the profit. This is what we understand.